what's up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it.
We have decided to spice our little vlog up today and do the ordering what the person in front of us ordered.
Gang gang.
So, babe, where you want to go to? What do you think? Should it be like, you want Taco Bell? I have to figure out which restaurant drive-through we gonna go to. Cause it give us a chance to try something new, really. Yeah, we gonna try McDonald's.
She told me the math fries cheaper now.
Yeah, the car that's in front of us, I don't know. It's like a student. Who knows what they ordering? Oh my god. Okay, y'all. We're close in line. This sun blinding me, y'all. Hold on. Okay, we're close. We're about to get ready to order, y'all. People down here probably never heard of this challenge, so I'm kind of nervous, really. But we about to see how it go. Should I be like, let me order the same thing the person in front of me ordered? Should I say that?
What?
Yeah, my husband ain't got no sense.
You better not order the same. That's
the point of the game. That's the point, babe. Y'all, my husband don't really watch YouTube like I do, as you can tell.
I ain't finna watch eat the same food I normally eat from here, y'all.
No.
If I order what they order in front of me, they might be getting two lit cheeseburgers.
And we'll go somewhere else. Oh, we should have went to Raising Cane's. No, because they ain't really got no menu.
When I say I bought for Raising Cane's, I almost spent $30 on two things.
Oh, I'm ugly.
Raising Cane's.
No, I'm going to put what the last person ordered. Can I order the same exact thing the last person ordered? That's what I'm going to say.
And ask them what it is.
I don't want to.
But ask them what it is, because Lord, I be doing.
This man, y'all. He used to stuff.
She know how I get when it comes to food if I'm hungry.
Okay, y'all. I got it, babe.
Sure?
Mm-hmm.
I gotta hold it up like this.
Let me put it on there when I finish. Hold on, Stein. Babe, we ain't ordering it. He think I'm playing. Hi, can I order the same thing the last person ordered? Okay.
Let me see what they ordered first.
Okay.
They just ordered a quarter pounder meal. You want that?
Yes.
What's his name? Can I get
What kind of drink?
Uh,
a burger?
Dr. Pepper.
Cheese meal?
Okay.
What they had ordered?
We're gonna see.
If I don't spoil you and these kids, I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, these people. The total was $847. I think that's what she said, but
Yeah.
the lightning is so off, y'all. We in the car.
And we finna eat something, and we don't even know what it is. We do not know what it is.
Yeah, these people probably like, what? The woman was like, hold on, ma'am, let me even see. I don't even know what you're talking about.
So, well, let me see what it is. She probably like, why they want the same thing they want?
Oh, y'all make cookies $1.50. See, I go up the avenue and see, I get cookies for $1. I don't even know. I'm sorry, I'm not laughing at you. Please do my change thing. Cookie? We're gonna get there. We're gonna get it from
Somewhere else. Hey. I done spent $2, know what, 8 something,
Thank you.
and all I get is $1 and some change back.
But look how you got my camera.
Oh, I'm sorry, America. Chicken
Put it
white.
back up there.
He say he want a cheeseburger. Want a cheeseburger, Cam? Yes. Oh, okay. We're gonna get you a cheeseburger. Cause last night you was screaming pizza and all this. What is mask for?
Okay, we went to Burger King and we end up with fries. Actually, a nice size thing of fries, and we got quarter pounder with cheese.
Fun toad.
So we end up with a quarter pounder. Let's see how this looks. This how it looks.
Got $5. Ooh, Lord, I want this one.
So let me taste it.
Got to have.
Mmm. You ever tried a quarter pounder?
So eat that damn quarter pound.
You ever tried a quarter pounder?
Shoot.
I don't think I bought this before. Hey, you guys, we are headed to destination number 2, which is Taco Bell. So let's see. We're about to see what this lady in front of us get, you guys. I hope it's something good, Lord. Let's see. Ooh, y'all, I'm driving out on the curb.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, can I order the same thing the person in front of me ordered?
Just 3 sauce tacos?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you care for any sauce or anything to drink?
No, ma'am.
And would you care to round your total to the nearest dollar to help donate to students' education?
Yes, ma'am.
Look, give me a chalupa.
Thank you for your donation. Your total is going to be $5 even. You can go forward.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, my husband is he is acting up. Yeah, we've been getting the stuff. They ain't been ordering nothing today.
Shit, I wonder why.
Whatever we just order, y'all, it ain't nothing but $5. Okay. I think this probably gonna be our last little place because my husband said he wanna order him something. But we getting all this good old food though. We getting all this food for a little or nothing.
I would never do another prank with you or.
But this ain't no prank. He think I'm pranking him. This real life.
It's gonna be real life.
This little challenge was so funny and fun. Like, I will do it again. My husband say he will never do it again. But if you want to see me go to other places, put in the comments some places y'all would like to see me go to. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and be on the lookout for the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.
It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it. Get your bag up. Hit that.